Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the overview for this MarQ by Flipkart Smart TV, which is actually a 4K 55-inch television. As you can see, it's a smart television, have these all apps. It actually runs over Android. It has built-in support for Chromecast, Wi-Fi. We actually get two remote controllers with this one, as you can see, and this one actually has complete voice control support. And apart from that, one other thing that I found very interesting on this television is that the sound output is actually really good thanks to Dolby, and I have to say, I'll give you a demo later on. In terms of sound, they're doing an incredible job. So let's have a closer look at this MarQ by Flipkart Smart Television. So guys, to give you an idea, this is actually a 55-inch variant, and as you can see, it's a smart television actually running over Android TV. And to give you an idea, show you the Android version that it runs, it's actually running on the latest one. If you go to the settings and if I go to about, as you can see, version 8, that is Oreo. This is the latest one that you're getting for Android TV. Let's just go back. And if you notice, I'm using this remote. Actually, you do get two remotes with this one. I'll show you the remote controllers, others later. But again, mostly I'm actually using it with this one. And the build quality is good on this one. And this one actually has voice control support. So you can actually talk to the TV. It has built-in Google Assistant and it works. And if you notice, I'm not even facing this TV. And then also I'm able to use this remote because this is running over Bluetooth. So again, you don't have to face like this to use the remote like traditional TV I like. And so you have a bunch of apps that you can install, for example, Hotstar, YouTube, TED, etc. We actually have full support for Google Play Store, and as you can see from here, you can install the popular apps that you want and whatever. For example, TED I had installed, and all this Kodi, we have Plex and other stuff, for example, like this. So you can install a lot of apps directly from here. You have certified support for Google Play Store because this is a certified Android television. And again, as you can see, we have some stuff, recommended stuff. It shows paints over here, YouTube and all this. Let's just go to YouTube now. For example, let's just go there. And as you can see, YouTube loaded. And as you can see, now we have a bunch of videos that are running. Let's just try to play this one. This is my own, so I can play it without any copyright stuff. And it's running over Wi-Fi. You can also connect it via Ethernet. Let's skip the ad. So as you can see, it's running this.
Hi there, this is Ranjit, and
let's go back.
The full review of this Pixel 3
and
XL
I'll increase the volume, guys.
And guys,
as you can see, it's really loud. So it plays it quickly. Let me actually play, and notice the interface. It's so smooth over here, no lag whatsoever, using it completely with the remote. And you can also use the voice option over here and search for videos. For example, let me search for some 4K videos, and let's do that. 4K videos. And as you can see, I did it via voice and it worked. So let's try to play some videos over here. We have this. And hopefully this should give you an idea about the picture quality. As you can see, brilliant. Just notice the picture quality, and this supports actually HDR. That's why the picture quality is so vibrant on it, as you can see. So we are playing that 4K video. So you can use voice to watch your favorite YouTube. For example, let's say you want to watch some videos by MKBHD. Just using this button on the remote voice, MKBHD videos.
All right, here's MKBHD on YouTube.
So as you can see, it just plays the latest video like that. So that's what it is. And in terms of sound, it's actually really loud. Let me actually give you a very quick demo regarding the sound from this. Let me search some sound, copyright-free soundtracks, and play it. Let me increase the volume. It's actually very loud. So So that's regarding the sound, and it has Dolby sound and that true surround. That's why the sound quality is really good. And this is one of those rare TVs on which you don't need a soundbar. It's actually really, really loud, guys. Now let's just go back to the main interface. This, if you press home, you get here over here. So all those things, you can customize what you want over here by customizing the channels and stuff that you want. And what I actually wanted to show you guys is also in terms of picture quality, the picture quality is really good. Let's just try to play some trailers and stuff that will give you an idea. For example, this Black Panther. Let me actually play this so that you get an idea about the picture quality.
I've seen gods fly. I've seen men build weapons that I couldn't even imagine. I've seen aliens drop from the sky. Yeah. But I have never seen anything like this. How much more are you hiding?
So that was that. Let's just try one more. For example, Tomb Raider. And this is over Wi-Fi, guys, the whole connection. You can also plug in via Ethernet, but even on Wi-Fi, as you can see, it's working without any issues. It takes a couple of seconds to buffer, then the quality improves. Because it's streaming.
I think I'm going mad.
Laura, your father's gone. At some point we have to face up to who we are, to who we're meant to be. I think I know.
So that was the picture quality. And again, regarding the picture quality, I have no problems with this television because it's an IPS panel, guys. And the advantage of IPS panel is that the viewing angles are actually good. Even if you sit straight like this, the viewing angles will be good. Even if you sit from the side, the viewing angles will be actually good with IPS panel. So that's what it is. But one thing that I've noticed with this television, and this is an issue that I'm noticing with many of the budget-oriented smart television, is that by default, Netflix and Amazon Prime simply don't work. This is not just restricted to this MarQ TV by Flipkart, but it's even on more expensive. For example, the Xiaomi's premium 55-inch television, which is actually almost 10,000 rupees more than this, also doesn't, the Netflix and Amazon Prime simply doesn't work. I could actually download Netflix, but as of now, it's sort of giving some error. Maybe they can fix it or not, but as of now, it's actually not working. And actually, it has built-in support for Chromecast, guys. Let me actually show you that demo first, then we'll move to the remote controller. So guys, this is my Android smartphone, and I've just switched on YouTube. And if you notice this is the cast button, and the name is Globe, what I've kept. And as you can see, it has connected here. And now I can cast stuff. For example, let's play this, and this will play it over there on the TV, this video. So it has built-in support for Chromecast. As you can see, I can pause this from here. It's playing that.
This video will be doing the full review of
So you can pause it. So full functionality for Chromecast is there on this TV. You don't need an external Chromecast. Chromecast is actually built in on this television. So that's also a very nice feature. And I'll just disconnect over here the Chromecast. As you can see, stop casting, and we'll go back to the television. So guys, actually we get two remote controllers with this one, and this is the normal one that you get. As you can see, it has a lot of buttons and stuff like a regular remote, and you also have a dedicated button for YouTube if you press that. And this is a normal remote, so IR, so you have to face the TV and make it work like this, as you can see. And nothing that great. The build quality is plastic and stuff. And guys, this is the second remote controller that we have, and this one, the build quality is really nice, metallic build quality that we have. And as you can see, it has a lot less buttons on it, but I feel this is the remote control that you should use if you get this one. We have the D-pad, you can control it via this, and this is actually working over Bluetooth, so you don't even have to face the TV. And this has this Google Assistant button, using which you can do the voice controls and control the in fact, it has complete Google Assistant. For example, let me ask some other random stuff. What's the weather like? As you can see, it showed us that information. And again, you can also play videos and stuff directly from this. For example, let me play my own videos. As you can see, I'm the home interface, but if I just say, play Geekyranjit videos. And
Play Geekyranjit on YouTube.
As you can see, it'll play my latest video, load YouTube. So this works. So let's just get back. So the voice control is really good, and the voice recognition is also really good on this television. Now moving to other apps apart from YouTube and stuff. For example, we also have Hotstar, actually downloaded via the App Store, and it actually works. I tested it, and as you can see, some Hotstar show that I was Coffee with Karan. As you can see, let's just go back, get out of this. As you can see, that works, and actually it loads pretty quickly. That's what I liked about this one. Also, Ted, I was watching earlier, as you can see, it even remembers where you were and starts playing.
We saw two fantastic
As you can see,
breakthroughs for humanity.
So that's what it is. And again, I have to stress, the interface is actually really fast. It's not like it's sluggish or slow when we move between different apps and stuff. So this is the back of the television, and again, it's plastic like other televisions. And you have the main ports over here. The good thing is that it actually has 3 HDMI ports, but let me actually show you. First, here you see AV ports. If you have old type television, you'll use that. We also have a physical LAN port, so you can connect Ethernet. And these are your 2 HDMI ports, HDMI 3, HDMI 2. We also have a digital out, so if you have AV receivers and stuff, you can use that. This is a service one, and this is if you still use an old television, that antenna you can plug in over here. Now moving over here, we have one USB port, and the first HDMI port is actually over here, and we also have one more actually USB port over here. And here back we also have a physical power button if you want. So that's what it is regarding the ports. Again, I'm satisfied with the ports, and it also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. So 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports that you are getting on this television. So guys, let's summarize what I feel about this MarQ by Flipkart television, which is actually a certified Android TV. And here are the ratings about this, what I feel about this television based on its price and various parameters. And I like the picture quality of this one thanks to that IPS grade screen. It's a 4K HDR television. And also I like the sound quality on this one, which is a major thing because generally in many of these television sound is not emphasis, but on this it's actually really loud thanks to Dolby support, and also has that built-in Chromecast support, and also that voice stuff that you can use with this one. And if we compare it with some other televisions, for example, if we take even to account the Mi 55-inch television, that is almost around 10,000 rupees more than this one. This one is priced in India anywhere between 42 to about 40,000. I'll leave the link in the description area. And if we compare other televisions, for example, from premium brands like let's say Sony or Samsung, etc., a 55-inch 4K television with those brands cost anywhere between 1 lakh to about 1,30,000. So considering the price point of this device, I feel it's a pretty good television. And if you are in the market looking for a 55-inch 4K television and you're on a tight budget, you can certainly have a look at this MarQ by Flipkart, which is a 55-inch 4K television. Anyways guys, that's it for now for this video. If you have any other questions regarding this television, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.